listeners. Today we will learn about the image formation by spherical mirrors. As we have discussed the nature of spherical mirrors and types of spherical mirrors, now we will see how the image formed in the spherical mirrors. Okay. So first of all, you have to take a glance for the study material whichever I have uploaded. Okay. So image formation by spherical mirror. Here you can see the some several points they have given. In this section, we will understand the nature of image formed by this mirror. Okay, and also we will find the image is real or virtual or enlarged or diminished or have same size. Okay, so when the image will be formed on any spherical mirror, so you can see the intersection of at least two reflected rays give the position of image of the object. Whenever the two reflected rays, at least two minimum, will intersect each other, will cross each other, at that point the image will be formed. Okay, so that you have to keep in mind. So all the incoming ray will follow the law of reflections on the reflecting surface. Here they have given some points, so you can also find in this in the books, and I will upload the PDF of this also. So first point, you can say the ray parallel to the principal axis after reflection will pass through the focal point. You can see the ray is passing parallel to the principal axis and passing through the focal point. Okay, for both concave as well as convex. What happened? Well, ray is passing through the focal point. You can see ray is passing through the focal point and reflected away parallel to the principal axis. Passing through the sea. Whenever the ray will be passing through the sea, they will not reflected at any point, and they will reflected in the same direction in which direction they are coming. Okay, so whenever the ray will be passing through the sea, they will be reflected in the same direction for both mirror, convex as well as concave. You can see whenever it will pass through sea, it would not reflect and will pass to the same direction. Okay, and oblique means you have the nature about the, you know the nature of the obliques. Okay, whenever the ray will be stuck at the P, that means pole, it will be reflected with the same directions as the law of reflection. Okay, so you will see all diagrams are following the law of reflection. Now we have to understand the image formation by concave mirror. Here we will discuss the several point where the object is placed and where the images are forming and what is the nature of image, and also their size and their property. Okay, so first, at the infinity, you can see the image is at infinity. Okay, the ray is passing reflected through the focal point. Okay, you can see, so whenever the ray will be passing through the focal point, that means the object is at A, this will be passed through the F. Okay, so object is infinity and image will be formed at the focal point only, because here you can see this is intersecting each other at the F only. So the nature of the image will be highly diminished and it will be very small size, that means point size, and it will be the real and inverted. What happens when the object is beyond the sea? So you can see this is the sea. Beyond the sea means away from the sea. Okay, this is the object, so reflecting. Okay, a ray is coming parallel to the principal axis, passing through the F, and one on other ray is we will take from the tip of the object and we will pass that ray through the C. Okay, and you can see the two rays are cutting at this point. Okay, so the image will be formed at here only, that means in between C and F. So when the object is beyond C, image is between F and C, it will be diminished, real and inverted. Now what about the object? When object is placed at C, you can see object is placed at C, passing through the F. Okay, again you can see the ray is from here and passing through the back. That means in that case you will see the ray are intersecting each other at the C only. So whenever the object will be at C, the image will also formed at C at the same size but real and inverted. Now what would happen when the object is between C and F? You can see C and F at the object AB. Okay, passing through the focal point. Okay, and we have taken a ray which is passing through the C, and we can see they are intersecting both at point here. Okay, so the image will be appear here only. So whenever the object is between C and F, image will be formed beyond C. It will be very enlarged. You can see and it will be real and inverted. At focal point, see, object is at focal point, passing here, passing again through the V, and we are also taken a ray which is passing through the C, center of curvature. So whenever the object will be at F, the image will be found at infinity. You can see they are not crossing each other at any point, so we think that will be intersect each other at the infinity. So the highly enlarged, because at the C you can see this is the enlarged, then at the F it will be more highly enlarged than between C and F. The image will be also real and inverted. Now between P and F, P is pole and F, when the image is placed between pole and focal point. Okay, so you can see just passing, and it will not reflect from the focal point only, so we will take the extension of this behind the mirror, and again we have passes the ray from the C, and it will cross each other at the this point only. So whenever the object is at between P and F, the image will be formed behind the mirror. You can see behind the mirror, and it will be the enlarged, virtual and erect. Okay, so from all the observations you can see the nature of image is real whenever the image is formed in front of the mirror. Okay, in front of the mirror, that means in front of the mirror. Okay, but in the last case you can see the image is forming behind the mirror. Okay, so the image will be real and inverted is real whenever the image formed in front of the mirror, and it will be virtual when formed behind the mirror. So this is the case for the concave mirror. Similarly, you have to form the ray diagram of convex mirror. This is for homework. You can take the help of books also. You can see that in the book. Okay, and I will upload the PDF of this section also. Hope you will enjoy the session. Okay, thank you very much.